Here is Samdong Rinpoche, whose birth name I gather is Lobsang Tenzin. I knew him vaguely when I studied in Varanasi. He was the vice chancellor of the Tibetan University in Sarnath. So he later, he was also a few years the prime minister of the Tibetan government in exile. And so late in life he wrote a book about Buddhist meditation. It's a very good, very easy to follow, but very precise. And so there he says, the Buddhists had no special methods which could be described as purely Buddhist. But they have several insights that are specifically their own. For instance, on the nature of samatha, calmness of mind, and vipassana, or alertness of mind. But the techniques are derived from those known in the Sankhya, Vedanta, and other Hindu schools of philosophy, and perhaps in other religions which teach meditation. Now, I don't know of any other religion that was present then, but yeah, in theory, of course, this is possible. So what he says is that the techniques, the yoga, is basically the same. But the ideas that you build around your yogic experience, they can be different. And so different yogis who have the ultimate experience come down with a slightly different story. And so that is what explains the different sampradayas, the different sects within the vast Hindu commonwealth. So the yoga that Shakyamuni, the Buddha, practiced was not new, was not specific to him. But the explanation he gave of it, that is typical for him. So you have a certain experience. When you, so to speak, come down from it back into ordinary consciousness, you try to make sense of it. And that then may be determined by all the ideas you've gathered before. And so that may be different from person to person. More from the Rinpoche, the Buddhist and the Hindu teachings, now here of course, between brackets, I have to say that the term the Hindu teachings, Hindu here has the usual, the modern, narrowed down meaning of Vedic. So I would say the Buddhist and Vedic teachings about the different stages of samadhi, of meditation, are similar. So he says the technical terms may be different, but the grading of the stages of meditation and the systems of elimination of mental impurities are, with an occasional slight variation, common to all the ancient traditions of Indian meditation. Here, instead of Indian meditation, I might say Hindu meditation, which includes Buddhist meditation. But okay, this is how he says it. So although meditational systems may differ in the beginning, when the element of, you see, all the teachings of how to do it and why you do it and so on, that's all fresh, you haven't meditated yet, it's still only an intellectual project. Okay, that may differ, but ultimately when you advance, the meditational systems all correspond to each other in the higher stages. So Buddhism is not really separate from meditation systems in general. You see, it is only in modern identity politics that people insist on the separateness of Buddhism.